Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital.
Now before I begin, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications. About a year into our business, I had a panic moment. I had just read an article about an important IRS form and realized that we had never submitted one on any of the closings we had completed in-house on the nearly 50 properties we had sold to this point. What was I supposed to do now? Was the IRS about to come after me? Well, I'll let you know what happened at the end of this video. But as you may have guessed, the form I had missed was the IRS 1099-S. Yes, this is not the most exciting topic for a video, but keep watching since this little form is a very important part of real estate closings. And here are the top things you need to know. Number 1. The IRS Form 1099-S is a tax document that is generally filed as part of the closing process. It ensures that the full amount of capital gains received in a real estate sale is accurately reported to the IRS. Number 2. The closing agent typically files the 1099-S form as part of the closing process. Therefore, if you close through a title company or lawyer, the 1099-S form should automatically be taken care of for you. However, if you are closing in-house, like we sometimes do, you will want to make sure that this form is properly filed, and this often means filing the form yourself. Number 3. Now, if you are starting to get nervous, keep in mind that there are situations in which you do not need to file a 1099-S form. You can go to the IRS's website to get instructions on 1099-S, and of course, you should always verify with your lawyer or accountant. But generally, if you are selling a principal residence and the sales price is less than $250K or $500K for a married couple, then you may not need to file. If the property is owned by a corporation or a government unit, you also may not need to file. In a similar manner, if you are an exempt volume transferor, that is to say that you sold 25 or more properties in a year, you may be exempt. And regardless of any other factor, if the total money, services, and property received from the transaction are less than $600, then you may not need to file. Number 4. Even if you have taken care of the 1099-S form, this does not exempt you from paying capital gains taxes or reporting these capital gains in your income tax return. So remember here that filing a 1099-S form does not mean that you have completed all of your reporting requirements, and it definitely does not mean that the capital gains taxes have been paid. And number 5. There are penalties that the IRS can issue for failure to file a 1099-S form. And these start at about $250 per failure. So this brings us back to my panic moment. Did I get in trouble with the IRS? Did I need to pay these fees? Well, fortunately, we qualified as an exempt volume transfer because we had sold or exchanged at least 25 separate items of reportable real estate to 25 separate transferees. Close call, no. But do you have any stories about closing mishaps? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.